Welcome to this incredible journey of self-discovery and transformation. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has the potential to change your life forever: the power of alignment and how to manifest your soul's purpose. Have you ever felt a sense of disconnection, like something in your life is just off? Maybe you're working hard, but it doesn't feel meaningful, or you're chasing goals, but they don't spark your soul. That's because true fulfillment isn't about doing more. It's about being aligned with who you truly are. Alignment isn't some mystical concept reserved for a select few. It's a state of being where your thoughts, actions, and energy resonate with your soul's highest calling. When you're in alignment, life flows effortlessly. You attract the right opportunities, meet the right people, and experience synchronicities that seem almost magical. So, how do you align with your soul's purpose? Let's break it down. Step 1. Listen to your inner voice. Your soul is always communicating with you, but its voice is often drowned out by the noise of daily life. Spend time in stillness, whether through meditation, journaling, or a quiet walk in nature. Ask yourself, what lights me up? What makes me lose track of time? Your soul's purpose is often hidden in these moments of joy and passion. Step 2. Release limiting beliefs. Sometimes, the reason we're out of alignment is that we bought into stories that aren't ours. Maybe someone told you that your dream wasn't practical or that you weren't good enough. These beliefs create a block between you and your soul's purpose. Start replacing those doubts with empowering affirmations. Remember, you are worthy, capable, and deserving of a life filled with purpose. Step 3. Take inspired action. Manifestation isn't just about thinking or dreaming. It's about doing. But here's the key. Take inspired action. Instead of forcing things to happen, act on what feels right in your heart. Whether it's starting a new project, reaching out to someone, or simply saying yes to an unexpected opportunity, inspired action keeps you aligned with your soul's path. Step 4. Trust the process. Manifesting your soul's purpose isn't a straight line. It's a journey. There will be twists, turns, and challenges, but each experience is a stepping stone toward your ultimate alignment. Trust that the universe is always working in your favor, even when things don't go as planned. When you align with your soul's purpose, life transforms. You feel more joy, peace, and fulfillment. You're no longer just existing. You're truly living. If this resonated with you, help us spread the message by giving this video a big thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs a little inspiration. And don't forget to leave a comment below about how you plan to align with your soul's purpose. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We've got so much more wisdom and inspiration coming your way, and you don't want to miss a single moment. Thank you for watching, and remember, you have the power to create a life that aligns with your soul. Keep shining.